You're a bumbuckler, man. You're an idiot. What I tell me you there, dog? Yo, me give you bumbuckler money and you don't want to give my money back, man. You're a madman, man. You're an idiot.
I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't owe you that money. No, you tried to play me. Oh, nigga.
Yo, you don't want to give my money, yeah? Pussy.
Action.
Okay.